From coffee makers to thermostats to irrigation systems, PIC microcontrollers are at the heart of millions of embedded applications. As developers migrate next-generation PIC-based applications to the cloud, they must overcome complexities associated with low power budgets, security, communication protocols, and also hardware compatibility. To accelerate the development of these applications, Microchip and Google have partnered together to make an extremely easy-to-use, secure, and low-power IoT development platform called the PIC-IoT WG development board. Out of the box, this development board can connect to a Wi-Fi network and begin transmitting sensor data from the board to the Google Cloud platform in 30 seconds or less. IoT devices have become very popular in the last few years, and in many cases, the device needs to be extremely power conscious due to the fact that most of them operate using batteries. At the same time, security can never be compromised. Even for the simplest IoT devices, security is a must. These internet-connected devices provide a potential entrance for malicious entities to enter into your network, which can be extremely detrimental. The more code that you have to manually implement, the more vulnerabilities you may introduce, which can be potentially exploited by hackers. Based on these criteria, Microchip and Google partnered to create a secure and extremely easy-to-use IoT development board based on the PIC microcontroller architecture. This board features an extreme low-power PIC24FJ128GA705 microcontroller, along with an ATE CC608 secure element and a Wink 1510 wireless network controller. With the PIC-IoT board, you will be able to get your first project configured and connected to the internet very quickly. This board is outfitted with a light and temperature sensor. So out of the box, it will be able to transmit light and temperature data to the Microchip Sandbox account on the Google Cloud. From there, the sensor data can be visualized in your browser through a web application to help designers make better and smarter products. As mentioned before, there is an ATE CC608 secure element on this PIC-IoT development board. Out of the box, this secure element is pre-configured and pre-provisioned to allow the authentication process to take place. To keep the authentication process secure, the private key on the ATE CC608 is locked and the board is registered to the public Microchip Sandbox account hosted on the Google Cloud platform. Through this, you can prototype and use the PIC-IoT WG development board freely without authentication being compromised. Down the line, if you would like to graduate to a private account, you can unregister from the public Microchip account and move your board to your own private registry. Due to Google's robust global network presence, your IoT node will be reachable around the world. All that you need to do is set up a suitable Wi-Fi connection by providing the correct credentials to a local access point such as a router. For maximum convenience, this can be done in a multitude of ways, through the browser interface, the command line interface, or by entering access point mode. The PIC-IoT WG development board provides a convenient drag and drop programming feature. Once the device is connected to your computer via USB connection, it will be accessible as a flash drive. When the application is compiled, a configuration file is created and it simply needs to be dragged onto the development board to reprogram it. The PIC-IoT WG development board is compatible with the MPLAB code configurator, which supports full programming and debugging capabilities. This board has virtual COM support as well, so that terminal emulators can be used for command line configuration or for diagnostic support. A microelectronica microbus expansion interface is also included on the PIC-IoT board. Through this header, a wide variety of additional sensors can quickly be connected to the board for rapid prototyping. Microelectronica offers over 500 different clickboards, many of which can be used for sensing capabilities. The PIC-IoT WG development board makes connecting a node to the internet a streamlined and simplified process. Due to its ease of use, you do not need to be a networking or encryption expert to create a secure device and connect it to the Google Cloud via Wi-Fi. For more information about the PIC-IoT WG development board, please see the link provided in the description below.